Hi, fourth grade. Today I'm going to talk to you about uppercase and lowercase letters. Words have uppercase and lowercase letters for different reasons. I'm going to read the first sentence to you. My friend Michael and I are going to the New York Aquarium. Now, if you look at this sentence, what do you notice about the capital letters? What do you notice about the capital letters? The first, third, fifth, 10th, 11th, and 12th words all have capital letters. Why do you think each of these words features an uppercase letter? Well, I'm going to point to some of the words and we're going to talk about them. First of all, this word Michael. Michael is a name of someone, so it is a proper noun and should be capitalized. I is also a name of a person. It is a pronoun. It's a specific person. So this will also always be capitalized. Now, each of these words is capitalized. New York Aquarium. This is a specific place. This is the name of a specific place. So because of that, each of the words of the title of that place also needs to be capitalized. Now, I think you guys know this one. My. Why does my need to be capitalized? Because it is the first word at the beginning of a sentence. Very good, very good. So now let's look at the next sentence. Today you have Spanish class with Mrs. Anderson. If you look at Spanish, this needs to be capitalized because any names of languages, races, or religions all must be capitalized. Now, Mrs. Anderson is also a name, but it's different than Michael. This has a title in front of it, and a title is a sign of respect. You could have Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, so any titles must be capitalized as well as last names. And then finally, again, today is the beginning of a sentence. So today must also be capitalized. Now, I want you to go and get your word work notebook and a pencil, and I will wait. Today, you're going to practice with a two-way sort with note cards, deciding whether or not a word should be capitalized or not capitalized. And I'm going to show you two word cards, and on those word cards will be the exact same words or phrases. One might be capitalized correctly, and the other one might have a mistake somewhere in it. And you need to decide if it is correct or incorrect and then where to put it. So I'm going to switch my screen. And in your notebook, I would like you to make a T-chart. I have my date in the upper right-hand corner. I have my date in the upper right-hand corner. And I want you to make a T-chart, and your T-chart is going to look like this. Same as we've done before. It's just a two-way sort. So on the top of the left-hand side, I want you to write upper case. And on top of the right-hand side, I want you to write lower case. So we have uppercase or capital letters and lowercase letters. Now I'm going to show you two words. Mrs. Gold, Mrs. Gold. Where do you think this should go? Which word is correct? Make your decision. Write it in the column you choose. You should have chosen uppercase with Mrs., the title being capitalized, and Gold, the last name being capitalized. This is the correct way to write a name, Mrs. Gold. Now I'm going to show you another one. This is the word Halloween. Halloween is a celebration or a holiday. It is a special occasion. Decide where you should write it. Should Halloween be uppercase or should Halloween be lowercase? Make your decision and write it in the column you choose. You should have chosen the column that is uppercase because Halloween is a holiday and therefore should be capitalized. Let's look at the next one. Ooh, this is a good one. Pinkerton High School. Pinkerton High School. It's a special place. It's a special place. Where should it go? Make your decision. Write it in the column you choose. Pinkerton High School should go in the column that says uppercase, and each word in that name should also be capitalized. Pinkerton High School. Let's look at the next one. Wow, they all seem to be like sneaky like this. Oh, let's do this one. The word school. School. I go to Clearwater. Oh, I go to school every day. School. Make your decision. Should it be capitalized or should it not? Put it in the column you choose. School is a common noun. School is a common noun, so it does not need to be capitalized. If you were just using the word school on its own, it does not need to be capitalized. If it's a name of a specific school, it should be capitalized. Let's try the next one. Oh, I like this one. This is kind of funny. What about Superman? Superman. Where should Superman go? Make your decision. Yes, Superman is a name of a specific person, so therefore it should be capitalized. It should be capitalized. Let's try this one. This is the name of the city, Denver. Denver. It's the name of a specific place. Write it in the column that you choose. Should it be capitalized or should it not be capitalized? Denver is the name of a specific place. It needs to start with a capital letter. Ooh, this is just like the one that we had in our example at the beginning. New England Aquarium. An aquarium is a special place that you can go to see sea animals or fish. New England Aquarium. I know Chicago has a great one called Shed's Aquarium. I think Cincinnati has a fantastic one. So New England Aquarium. It's a specific place. Write it in the column you choose. New England Aquarium. Now what I want you to do is write your name. Write your name. Where should you put your name? If I was writing Mrs. Hogue, which column do you think I would put it in? Mrs. Hogue. Now, you would just have your first and last name. You decide where it should go. Yep, you're right. It should be in uppercase. I wrote mine two different ways. Mrs. Hogue because I am married, and Becky Hogue because Becky is my first name. So Becky is capitalized and H in Hogue is capitalized. Now, boys and girls, your teachers and I were discussing this because we're noticing in your typing that a lot of you are having trouble putting capital letters in the things that you're sending. I wanted to make sure that you understood if you press the shift button on your computer, if you press the shift button and then pressed the letter, that capitalizes the letter. I'll show you again where the shift key is. Oh, this is upside down. The shift key is right here. If you press the shift key and hold it down and then press the letter, that will give you a capital letter. Now what I want you to do, I want you to take a picture of the work that you just did. I want you to take a picture of the work that you just did and send that to your teacher. Your teacher is taking this assignment for a participation grade so that they know that you have seen this video. We're really going to focus on working on capital letters in the work that we submit online and in written form. Have a great day.